So this is a 17 Giulia QV. I took off the centerline X pipe because it was making a really loud whistling noise under heavy load and like almost wiping throttle. And I ended up cutting my factory resonator and just putting a straight pipe on each bank to the rear pipes. And this is a cold start with the valves closed, or like normal cold start. So at this point, the valves close, and now it's just idling. It doesn't sound bad at all. I actually like it, and it sounds way better than the X pipe. One, because there's not that overpower whistling that it overpowers the tone of the muffler, and these cars, as everybody knows, they have a very good muffler tone. So I'm gonna let it warm up, and then I will take another video once it's warm, and I'll rev it with the valves open, with the valves closed, so that way you guys can see the difference. And in my opinion, I like this way better. So we are on N, and I'm a free rev it. See if you guys can hear the tone. Now I'm gonna put it on dynamic, and let's see the difference. Let's put it on race. And let's rev it. So I really like this setup. I don't know what you guys think about it. Feedbacks or something, ideas. I'll try it out. Thanks.